you've shared a highly popular and deeply traditional DIY hair care recipe. Combining cloves, fenugreek, methi, seeds, and rice water creates a potent, nutrient-dense botanical spray. These three ingredients are heavy hitters in natural hair care, drawing from Ayurvedic medicine and ancient Asian beauty rituals. But to understand whether they can truly become useful, long-term additions to your routine, we have to look past the social media hype and examine the actual biochemistry of what happens when these ingredients meet your hair strands and scalp. The biochemical breakdown. What are these ingredients actually doing? To understand why this specific trio is so frequently recommended for hair health, we need to break down the active compounds found in each ingredient. 1. Rice water, the cuticle smoother. Rice water has been used for centuries, most famously by the Yao women of the Huangluo village in China, who are known for their exceptionally long, dark hair. When you boil rice, it releases starch, amino acids, and a carbohydrate called inositol. Research suggests that inositol can penetrate damaged hair and repair it from the inside out. It also remains inside the hair even after rinsing, offering continuing hair protection. Starchy coating. The starches in the water form a microscopic film over the hair shaft. This temporary coating smooths down the cuticle, the outermost, shingle-like layer of the hair, which instantly increases shine and reduces friction between strands, thereby preventing mechanical breakage and tangles. The catch: rice water acts very much like a protein treatment. While it doesn't contain massive amounts of complex protein, the starches mimic a protein-heavy effect, which can lead to stiffness if overused. 2. Fenugreek, methi seeds. The natural conditioner fenugreek is a staple in Ayurvedic hair care. When you soak and boil these seeds, the water takes on a slightly slippery, viscous texture. Mucilage. This is the game changer. Fenugreek is rich in mucilage, a slippery botanical substance that provides incredible slip. In hair care terms, slip allows you to detangle the hair effortlessly, significantly reducing the amount of hair you pull out or break while brushing. Scalp health. Methi seeds contain nicotinic acid and lecithin. These compounds are excellent for soothing dry, itchy, or inflamed scalps. A healthy scalp environment is the absolute prerequisite for healthy hair growth. Moisture retention. Unlike rice water, which can sometimes feel drying on its own, the mucilage in fenugreek is deeply hydrating and helps counteract the stiffness that rice water can occasionally cause. 3. Cloves, the stimulator. Cloves are not just for culinary use. They pack a massive punch of antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. Eugenol, the primary active compound in cloves, is eugenol. Eugenol is a vasodilator, meaning it increases blood circulation. When applied and massaged into the scalp, as per instructions, it stimulates blood flow to the hair follicles. More blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the follicle, which can help support the active phase of hair growth. Antimicrobial action. A healthy scalp needs a balanced microbiome. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties of cloves help keep dandruff-causing yeast, Malassezia, at bay, ensuring the hair follicles aren't clogged by inflammation or excess sebum. The deciding factor: hair porosity. Whether this mixture will give you glass-like shine or leave your hair feeling like dry straw depends almost entirely on your hair porosity, how easily your hair absorbs and retains moisture. The ingredients in this DIY spray have different molecular weights, and how they penetrate your hair shaft dictates the results. Explore how ingredient molecules interact with different hair types using this.